They are finally back home. Well, most of them anyway. Namibia's Chamber of Commerce and Industry, the NCCI, is delighted with the homecoming of close to 40 truck drivers after a 6-month ordeal in Zambia. Zambian authorities refused to allow Namibia's truck drivers over the border, citing cargo concerns, which eventually saw the Namibian head of state intervening. The truckers started arriving in Namibia yesterday.
A lot of damage has already been done. It has been a very, very expensive patience, I think, for most of the truckers, for these truckers. And as of now, I think the relief is almost there, that at least something has happened.
Muya stressed that the process took much too long, and despite numerous efforts to have all the Namibian drivers cleared, not all of them were released.
As of yesterday, which is now Monday, the 26th of June, most of the trucks were at the Sesheke border. We only had 2 that were still not released at the checkpoint in Mombwa, and 1 at a checkpoint in Kalomo. I'm now talking about those that were not yet cleared. And we still had 3 that have been impounded at Sesheke. 3 of them were also still not cleared. As I'm speaking today, we still have 2 at Mombwa checkpoint, and 1 at Kalomo checkpoint, and still 3 at Sesheke checkpoint that are not cleared.
The NCCI was alerted to the situation facing Namibian truck drivers in Zambia after a report on the issue was published in the Namibian media in February this year.